So let's see today's recipe of Tarri for Misal Pav. So here I've taken half a cup of grated dry coconut. These are about 6 to 7 dry red chillies, 1 medium sized onion. This is about 4 cloves of garlic and about an inch of ginger. Now first I'm going to dry roast the grated coconut. This is the dry coconut that you get. I've just grated it. So till it becomes nice and light brown in color, and then you take it off, and in the same pan roast the dry red chilies. Once that is done, put it in the plate, and then now just dry roast the ginger, garlic and the onions. Now I'm going to add just half a teaspoon of oil. Let the oil get hot and then just fry them well till you get the lovely aroma of the onions and the ginger garlic. So this tarri is basically the gravy that you add to your misal. Now let this mixture cool a bit, and then you're just going to grind this in a mixer pot with 1 medium sized tomato cut fine like this. I've de-seeded the tomato. If you want, you can leave the seeds also, and then grind this to a very fine paste. So I already have a video for the misal. It's an old video about 2 years ago. So I'll leave a link below as to how to assemble the misal. You can see it in that video. Now I've just heated about a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, and about half a teaspoon of garam masala. So you're going to add these powder masalas first to the oil, and then I'm going to add this paste that we ground. And you're going to fry this paste really well till the paste starts oozing out oil. So you should get this lovely red color from the paste. Fry it on low to medium flames, continuously stirring, and you have to get this lovely aroma from this paste. So fry it for about 10 minutes, stirring continuously or stirring in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. But this step is very important if you want that right, tarri for the misal. I just thought I'd pop in and let you know about my Amazon storefront. Go and check it out. The link is down in the description box below. It's products that I generally buy on Amazon or I would recommend with regard to best prices and good quality. So go and check out the link. Now that the masala is fried well, I'm just going to add the water that I've just rinsed the mixer with drinking water, and I'm going to add that water. So I'm adding about a cup and a half because this tarri is very light and watery, but it's really delicious. Now ideally for a misal, you need matki chi usal, so I'll leave a link of how I prepare my matki chi usal. Then you require batatachi bhaji, so I'll leave a link for that. Okay, now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. And then what you do is in the plate, you take your matki chi usal first, then you add this tarri, then you add a little bit of batata bhaji on top, and then you add a little bit of very finely chopped onions, squeeze a lot of lime, and then now one trick I like to do is I like to strain this tarri, because you can leave it as it is, but we at home don't like this coconut bits that come when you're having the misal. So what I do is I strain it and then I leave it on the low flame for 10 to 15 minutes to boil completely. And you will see that after 10 to 15 minutes, you get this beautiful, dark red color tarri. And like I said, and then after that, what you do is once you, squeeze some lemon juice, just add some farsan. You get this typical farsan for misal. And you just club it up all together with a pav and you're all set. So I'll leave a link for my misal pav recipe. You can go and check it out. But do try out this recipe, guys. It is just delicious. Friends, I
hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.